Right, I'm going to do a video on Wondershare Recoverit, which is pretty good software. And I've got a Windows installation disk, 120GB. I think about 40 gigabytes are used. The Windows installation, so it's going to take a little while for it to scan. Firstly, I can't find any copying. That just takes you to disk management. I don't know what backup data is, but it's online. But I can't find a copy or image disk, so that's a bad start. There's also no way of controlling the scan, so if it scans from 0 to 40 gig, you could probably stop it halfway through, but you're best not doing that. So the only thing I do is press on this and scan it. It's pretty simple to use, but obviously because it's got basic parameters. So this is your file search page, which apparently uses already. But I doubt there's going to be a lot in there yet. No, it ain't even that far in the admin page. So come back in a minute after it's done. So it's got to 58%. You can pause it and you can stop it. But it's recovered everything anyway, so basically it's got everything in one folder there. You do not want to be sorted through 200,000 files. So I'm going to the lost partition, users, admin, and then the test folder with all the stuff in that I wanted to recover. So it has got everything. And to be fair, this has been really, really good. This is equal to R and delete in the ability of pulling off all the stuff. I don't think it's as good as R and delete because it's a bit more difficult to use. It ain't got imaging and it's a bit slower, but it is just as good at pulling the stuff off. So I don't know about price wise. I think R and delete is cheaper, so it's a better buy as well. But this is still good software. I'm not knocking this. So anyway, that's that done. I'm going to try now and recover from a USB. So it's just got one last partition. It's going to again start scanning it because it ain't got no imaging. And that's it, it's going. It's already done 50% somehow, but there you go. I'll leave it going, leave it scanning. Okay, that was quick. Done. 148 files. So I was going to look in the last partition. And that looks like it's done a good job. All that file is, but it's the same again. So yeah, brilliant bit of software. Bit limited, really should have imaging on. Like I say, that does. The system crash computer thing does have it, but it's really good at pulling up your lost files though, so, and that's what it's supposed to do.